Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Are you always rushing in the morning but still want a high-protein breakfast to fuel your day? Well, you're in the right place. Today, we're sharing quick and easy high-protein breakfast recipes perfect for busy mornings. These recipes are simple, filling, and can be made in just a few minutes. Let's dive in. Recipe 1. 2-minute microwave egg mug. This one's a lifesaver. You'll need 2 eggs, a splash of milk, salt and pepper. Optional add-ins: spinach, bell peppers, or shredded cheese. Instructions: crack the eggs into a microwave-safe mug, add a splash of milk, and whisk it all together. Toss in your favorite veggies or cheese. Microwave for about 90 seconds to 2 minutes. Fluff with a fork, and your protein-packed breakfast is ready. Protein, around 12 to 15 grams. Recipe 2. Greek yogurt power bowl. For something cool and refreshing, grab 1 cup of plain Greek yogurt, a handful of fresh berries, 1 tablespoon of chia seeds, a drizzle of honey or maple syrup. Simply layer everything into a bowl. This breakfast is rich in protein, fiber, and antioxidants. Protein, around 20 grams. Recipe 3. Peanut butter protein toast. Here's a fast one for toast lovers. Ingredients: 1 slice of whole grain bread, 2 tablespoons of natural peanut butter, half banana, sliced. Sprinkle of chia or flax seeds. Toast the bread, spread the peanut butter, and top with banana slices and seeds. Protein, around 12 grams. Recipe 4. Overnight oats with protein boost. Prepare this one the night before for 0 morning effort. Ingredients: half cup rolled oats, half cup milk or almond milk, 1 scoop protein powder. Vanilla works well. 1 tablespoon nut butter. Optional: cinnamon, berries, or dark chocolate chips. Mix everything in a jar and refrigerate overnight. In the morning, just grab and go. Protein, around 25 grams. Next time. Recipe 5. Cottage cheese breakfast bowl. Cottage cheese is an underrated breakfast hero. Ingredients: 1 cup cottage cheese, a handful of cherry tomatoes or cucumber slices, salt, pepper, and a drizzle of olive oil. Optional: sprinkle of sunflower seeds or chopped nuts. Simply mix it all together for a savory, high-protein option. Protein, around 28 grams. Closing tips. See? High-protein breakfasts don't have to be complicated. Here are a few quick tips. Prep ingredients the night before when possible. Keep protein staples like eggs, Greek yogurt, and nut butters on hand. Experiment with different add-ins to keep things fun and satisfying. Fuel your mornings with protein, and you'll stay energized and full for hours. Which recipe will you try first? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video for more quick wellness recipes. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye!